This simulator behind me is a 747 flight simulator. It's one of 2 flight simulators that USW students can access. Okay, Jana, are you ready for your Boeing 747 flight experience today? You're going to help me with the startup procedure, okay? So at the moment we've got our cockpit is cold and dark, so this means there's no power on. The simulators enable our students to gain practical experience of working on real aircraft, including functional checks, system diagnostics, and operational checks, as well as developing the practical skills and confidence to perform maintenance tasks on real aircraft. Battery on, that's going to bring our indication up. We're going to make sure there's power going to all of our various systems. So we're going to be taking off down the runway, out over Cardiff Bay, and we'll get up to a nice high altitude. They also enable our students to become familiar with the flight deck and the various instruments and controls used in aircraft maintenance, replicating the environment in which they perform maintenance tasks that require access to the onboard instrumentation. The engines are running.
Yes.
Are you ready to take off?
Yes.
When you're ready, put all 4 throttles to full throttle position. If you pull back on the yoke, that's it, fantastic. And that's it, we've taken off. Okay, Pooja, we're just coming in to land at Rio de Janeiro Airport. Have you put the flaps to 30, position 30 degrees?
Yes, I have.
Okay, undercarriage down.
Down.
If we just throttle back. Fantastic. The simulator is an essential tool, providing enhanced opportunities for our students in their training and education, and ensuring they become competent and successful aircraft maintenance engineers. Just about to brace for impact.
40, 30, 20, 10.
Okay, let's have our reverse thrusters on. Just come into a stop. So start to apply your foot brake.
All the way?
All the way. What a smooth landing. Well done.